Guys, hey there. God bless you. This is Dr. Patrice Carter, board certified Christian life coach, certified holistic health coach, and founder of the Healing Journey with Dr. Patrice Carter and the Kick Herpes to the Curb course, Restore and Reclaim Your Life. So, guys, I'm excited because this is an opportunity for me to take you behind the scenes and show you the course, to show you, what the course involves so that you can make an informed decision and you can feel safe knowing that you have some idea of what's entailed, what's in store. All right, so let's get into it. So the Kick Herpes to the Curb course, Restore and Reclaim Your Life, is a self-paced, self-guided course. It is a God-aligned journey. It's a personal journey that I have curated just for you, me and the Holy Spirit. And together, we're going to walk you through a four-phased, self-paced program designed to restore your body, your mind, and your soul, to support your immune system, your gut health, and to guide you towards freedom from herpes, HSV, HPV. And I will also add shame and stigma that sometimes attacks people that are going through that. So I want to encourage you also that some healings happen instantly and others require a process, but you will not walk alone on this journey. And I also want you to know that I'm with you every step of the way. So in that regard, we will have live bi-monthly Zoom meetings, group coaching, where we will come together, we'll pray, we'll talk, we'll share. And you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but that's there for you if you want community, because I believe firmly that community, is an important aspect to healing and that we heal in community. Also, this program does allow for one-on-one participation, so you can go through it completely alone if you want to, and there is complete anonymity and confidentiality. Through this process, you will discover how to strengthen again your immunity and your support your gut health, and then also you'll renew your mind and your spirit with faith-driven practices. My goal also is for you to build confidence and wholeness from the inside out, to get rid of herpes, HSV, HPV once and for all. And my disclaimer to you is that I'm not a medical professional, that I don't guarantee healing. I want you to always consult your physician or your healthcare provider regarding medical care or treatment or anything that we introduce in this program. And also just know that this program is for educational and faith-based support purposes only. All right, so that said, let's get right into it. Let's get into the course. So the first thing that you'll encounter when you register and come in to the course is an orientation. And in that orientation session, what I've done is I've created a welcome video and an orientation video for you to, to just have a good start, have a healthy start, to have an exciting start to this process. Also, I share with you that I want you to familiarize yourself with the course sections and the phases, and then I share my email if you need me during the process. Next, I share my ratchet to righteous story, my herpes story, and in that I share that God did heal me supernaturally, but I also want to frame that by saying that when the Lord called me as a certified holistic health coach, He told me to tell you that He desires to heal you. So this is your season of healing as well. Not season as though it's going to end or wrap up, because it's not. This is your time of healing. All right. So the next thing that we get into is I share a herpes outbreak protocol, because given that we are going into this phased approach to root herpes out, you may experience an outbreak. And so that said, I've created a protocol for you to follow, so that you know what to do. Also, if you are someone who has um, ongoing outbreaks, there's something called a herpes bomb that you can do. And I share the products here, the links to those products, as well as the routine to follow to help your body to be strengthened in the midst of those outbreaks. The next thing I share is that I have created a handcrafted and curated line of herpes wellness relief products. There's a spray, an oil, and a balm. And I have created all these products from scratch. So they are fully 100% vegan. They're all natural. And there's a link there to the store where you can purchase those if you need them. I will share that through this process that there again are four phases, and you cannot skip the process. So you have to go phase one, two, three, and four in order. And I have the phases, what do you call it? I have them dripped. So they drip every 30 days. So phase one is 30 days, and then phase two, and then phase three. And then I'll let you, once you come into the course, you can read the privacy statement. I have a disclaimer, etc. But just to give you some details of the course, the way that the course is established, again, it's self-paced and self-guided. And that said, when we have our meetings together, when we have the group coaching, that will happen on the second Tuesday of every month. And there is a 12 p.m. session and an 8 p.m. session. You don't have to come to both. You can pick one or the other. But I tried to pick them at times during the day where people throughout the different parts of the world could join. And then the Zoom link is always there. It's the same link every time. So everything is self-contained in the course, so you don't have to go outside to look for anything. All the links have been provided. I share my why as to why I established this course, why I feel that the Lord has called me to this work. And I share that by way of a video as well as a blog post here. And then from there, we go into some facts around herpes, HSV, and HPV. Some of you are probably way more versed in herpes, HSV, and HPV than I am because you've taken the time to educate yourself. But then there are other people who have just sort of hidden and buried their head in the sand, and it's just been too scary to look at. And so I've created this as a means to just helping us get educated about the virus. Now, let's get into the phases. So phase one is all about soul healing. And you may wonder, like, why are we starting out a healing journey of herpes, HSV, and HPV talking about the soul? And it's actually a book study called Healing the Wounded Soul. It's a book that we're going to read together and we're going to work through. But I believe strongly, and the Bible supports this, that soul wounds can keep you in an unhealed state. And so no matter how many pills, supplements, etc., a person takes until their soul is healed, the body doesn't stand a chance of healing. And I'll also add forgiveness. Self-forgiveness is key, and believing God, because Hebrews tells us that those who come to him must believe that he is and that he is a rewarder of those who diligently seek him. All right, so phase one, you'll have some self work, and then each phase has a video where I introduce you to that section and to that phase, and sort of kick the phase off, if you will. And then the book that we're going to be working through together is Healing the Wounded Soul, which is an amazing book. And then I also want you in phase one to pull out your test results where you were diagnosed with herpes, HSV, or HPV, or I want you to get tested so that we have a baseline as we traverse through the four phases. Okay, so then phase two is all about immunity and gut health on this journey, because the next critical phase of healing is making sure that your immune system and your gut health are strong and they're solid, because we're going to be working through in phase three of pulling the virus out, and your body needs to be able to fight. So we're going to do that through food and through supplementation. Phase three is all about homeopathic healing. And so now that we have gotten the soul healed, we've gotten the immune system strengthened, we've gotten the gut built, then now we're working on kicking herpes out, pulling it out, kicking it out once and for all. And so that's it. We're going to be working with homeopathics. And then phase four is all about retesting and maintenance. So in phase four, I want everyone to get retested. I share in phase one a full list of diagnostic centers where you can go and self-refer to get your labs drawn, or you can go back to your doctor or your local health department. But in phase four, you're going to get retested again, and we're going to compare the results, and then we're going to go into maintenance. All right, so those are the four phases of the Kick Herpes to the Curb, Restore Your Life course. And so I'm so excited. And if you have questions, you can DM me, you can email me, or you can put them in the group if you're part of the Healing Journey group. If you are watching this outside of the group and you're like following me on YouTube or TikTok or some other social media platform, you can join my free membership group, which is a Healing Journey membership. And that is where you have community support. That's where you can connect with me and other people that are walking through this process. But also, you don't have to join the group to do the course. All right. So I'm going to share the link in the course for those of you that are in the Healing Journey membership so that you can join. And then if you're someone who's watching me via social media, then I will put the link to join the group and the course in the show notes and descriptions. All right. So, or in the caption. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out. I'm excited. I'm blessed to walk with you. It is an honor. And I thank you and I prophesy your healing. The Bible says that he sent forth his word and healed them. And so God is sending forth his word. It is your time to heal. I hope that you will join me on the course. I hope that the behind the scenes has helped you to get a warm and fuzzy and to feel a little more safe and better about what it is that you're actually investing in. So let's talk cost before we hang up. So people want to know how much is it? It's $67 per phase. So once you register, then it's a $67, it's a subscription, a 4 phase subscription. So it'll pull $67 and then 30 days later, it'll pull another 67, 30 days, another 67 until the final fourth $67. All right. So $67 a month for 4 months for you to get this mess out of your body. All right. To kick herpes to the curb and to restore and reclaim your life. So I hope you'll join. I hope to see you. If this is not for you, or maybe you're not ready, but you know a friend, family member, or colleague that is traversing this, please share. All right. Don't gatekeep. Please share because I want us all to be able to tap into what the Lord is doing. All right. God bless you. And I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. See you later.